8 to 9 years old, some of them are trained to how to make that fire at the mountain as part of their survival. And the other tribe also know how to speak Tagalog and English, especially po sa girls and sa boys and sa photographers. They know how to use the cameras. Since they go to school and vacation, now they are here to share rich cultures and traditions. Okay? One will blow it harder until it makes a big smoke and big fire. That one he hold is the light up in the mountain or perch. It lasts 4 to 5 nights, depends how to use it. And they believe with the smoke can drive away bad spirit and bad luck. It can cure illness and ill